Hey guys, we received this JLab JBuds mini true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So this comes with a charging case. It's a charcoal black. It's a IP55 sweat and dust proof. So let's open and can see a very compact size earbuds. So it have a key ring, so you can just use it with the key ring. And this is the accessory box. So there's a manual and a charging cable, some extra earbuds tips, the different size. So the manual is self-explanatory. This describe everything, and this is a charging case itself, so the earbuds need to be charged. So everything is described, and you can also control this with a JBuds app. So the charging is directly, you can add it in the micro USB C, and then so for connecting to the Bluetooth, you have to open the things and put one earbud in your ear. Once you put one earbud in your ear, this will recognize it, and then you can connect through your mobile phone. Once connected, the sound quality is good, and this you can also hear to your surrounding sound or the surrounding noise, because there's active noise cancellation is not there, so you can still listen to your surroundings while walking or running. So this is pretty good and safe, and you can also do other things like the touch and controlled by this and with the app. And yeah, basically it's a very nice connected to the multiple device. The sound quality is good based on the size of this earbuds, and this have about 20 hours of the total play time. Comfortable wear and the nice earbuds.